This little thing was $25, and I was annoyed when I got it in the mail. Like, what? $25 where? Why? Look at this. And unfortunately, it makes my skin feel and look great. So I'm excited to see what content I make. I'm excited. I'm as curious as the next person. I don't know what I'm making, but oh Sheila, let me love it. Oh, I'll pick up the camera and it just be the most inappropriate time to pick up a camera because I'll be looking crazy. But that's when I have something to say, when I'm looking crazy. And one day I'm going to be comfortable enough to post when I'm looking crazy. Because I'm not yet. I'm not there yet. Girl, let me tell you. Let me tell you. I think I'm going to put on a nice light scent. I'm going to wear one. Let's see. So I'm going to use this. I feel like this, dang. This is like, I don't know, this reminds me of the color yellow. And it's, a lot of people say that this is like a spring summer scent, but for me it's warmer. It's like a more cozy scent. It's vanilla, but it's cozy, but has an undertone of some type of deepness in it. So yeah, I don't know. Obviously my daughter loves this. She runs through perfume, like she loves it, which is good because I don't really run through my perfume. So I'm not putting anything on my face, not a thing. But you know what? My face was, it was dry and it was irritating and it was just going through something. And I first went to Target and got Naturium. Hold on, let me get it. So I got the Naturium, right? I got Naturium because it said Intense Overnight Sleeping Cream. What I was using already was a Dermalogica smoothing cream, and I got tired of using it, I guess. I don't know. I get tired of using the same stuff over and over, which is not good because my skin will react. I have sensitive skin and it's acne prone and it does things. So I was using Dermalogica products, all Dermalogica products for a while, and it worked wonders. And then I got tired of using it. So I was like, let me try something else. And plus, my skin's my skin's feeling dry. So I'm like, let me go to Target because I didn't really want to spend a lot of money on something that really wasn't going to work. So I went and I got this. What is this? The Intense Overnight Sleeping Cream. And I'm thinking, all right, this should help. I used quite a bit, enough of it. Now I just use it on my neck because what it was doing was, it's very thick. I don't want to touch it. It's very thick, the consistency. And I think it needs to be a little bit more loose. Like maybe have a little bit more water in it to penetrate through the skin, because I will wake up with my skin feeling drier going to sleep using this. So then I was like, you know what? Let me just try the Tatcha overnight cream. So I bought the little mini. This little thing was $25, and I was annoyed when I got it in the mail. Like, what? $25 where? Why? Look at this. And unfortunately, it makes my skin feel and look great. So I ordered a full size of it, reluctantly. I didn't want to spend $96 on the full size, but it's worth, like, it. My skin is feeling better. It's not dry. It's like I'm one tone. I feel like it's more like my skin looks, I don't look washed out and pale. You understand? I look like I have color, but not washed out. Like I felt like I was looking dull and washed out and dry. So I like this stuff. It doesn't have any fragrance. It's for sensitive skin. It's called the Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. So I did order the large size, and then I also used the code Lucky25 on Tasha's website to get the, I think it's called Fukudobora? I'm gonna get that right. I don't like saying things incorrectly. I'm gonna come back and say that again. Anyway, what it is they give you like actually like $100 worth of, I guess, minis to, you know, match what you spent. So, and I had to add the little rice polish to get to $100. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. The point is, I'm not going outside with nothing on my skin, and I feel completely comfortable with it. And I gotta say, I didn't like the Tatcha water cream. I felt like it was just too thin, and it didn't do nothing for me. I tried that years ago. Never went back to it. This I've been wanting to try because when I looked up the ingredients like 2 years ago, it seemed good for my skin. I was going through like this acne safe list that I got from an esthetician a while back. And this was good. It was approved. And I think I put this in some website. Anyway, long story short, it works. I kind of wish it didn't because it's not cheap. I'm just going to I'm gonna use it though because it's working, and if it's working, I got to spend the money, right? And then I have this Summer Fridays lip balm. Gotta tell you, it ain't. I mean, I don't know. It's okay. It's not irritating my lips. It's not making me feel like there's a ring around my lip that is uncomfortable. It's okay. Yeah. That is all. That's how I'm going out, and I will be back. No. I think you guys are coming with me. Or am I just coming home and cooking for you? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. You know, I'm very random. We'll see how this goes. And I'm going to make some more tea. So I'm going to eat before I leave, because if I don't eat before I leave, I'm going to eat the wrong stuff in the street, or I'm going to overspend at the supermarket or Costco if I'm hungry. This is chicken I made last night. I'm making it with some, I think I showed these before. These are so good, and they are so convenient. If you don't have any vegetables, any fresh vegetables, it's just fire roasted vegetables. And all it has, where's the ingredients? Oh yeah. All it has are ingredients. Pretty good ingredients, no additives. And I'm going to pair it with the chicken. Now, last night when I made it, my son ate it on a pretzel bun, which is really good, but I don't want to eat all this bread. If I was going to work out, I would eat this because it's carbs and that will fuel my workout, but I'm not going to work out, so I'm just going to have the chicken and the vegetables. And then I will be on my way. And it being cold and gloomy is making me not want to run these errands, so I decided, let me just dress like the sun. Funny enough, like, I think I brought the sun out. Look. I'm gonna throw these on because they're neutral, and then I can pick whatever color I want to wear. We can't forget the fragrance. Okay. That's cool, right? However, I told you I want to be as bright as the sun, so this is more like it. This coat is like the unexpected hero. You're not gonna expect me to wear this coat with this sweatsuit, but I am because I like it. So we're gonna go with this Melange bag because it's an exact match to the pearls, which is a chalk color, not white. And it goes pretty well with the neutral in my sneakers. I actually took the time out to comb my hair today. I don't need a hat, so I'm just gonna go like this. Yeah. All right. Okay. I'm gonna make that chicken. And yeah, I'm gonna show you that. Of course, I have to derobe because I cannot stand being in the house with street clothes. Outside clothes for outside. So, you know, I had to shower, put my pajamas on. I'd be super comfortable to cook. Okay. Let's cook something. Don't mind the mess in the back. I haven't cleaned. It's alright. It's not filthy, it's just a little disheveled. Okay. I'm just using this. I know we used to using 21 spices when we season our stuff, but we ain't gotta do it all the time. There's a time for everything. This ain't the time because we're just trying to get this done. Alright? It's got like, how many spices is in this thing? Do you see what's in there? About 7. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 spices. And we're also going to use the sauce on top for some of them, not all of them. But look at that. If you ever in Costco, check this out, okay? Alright, so I baked them with this. Obviously, like the last few minutes of them cooking. It's pretty delicious. Not too much, just a little touch, a little something. You ain't gotta drown it in sugar, you know. So I'm gonna make a salad. I'm gonna actually just cut this up and put it on a bed of romaine. Just because I want something light, cause I want a snack. So that's it. I actually added some spring mix with the romaine lettuce. I really wanted romaine for like the fresh crunch, the freshness of romaine, you know, making sense. You know how romaine is kind of like iceberg. It's a little bit fresher. It's a crisp crunch to the romaine. Anyway, and I just added some spring mix in the chicken, and that's it. And I'm also gonna eat a few onion rings. So that's it. Good old paper plate, which is kind of stupid because I use something that has to be washed, and then anyway. And these are the onion rings that I make. Yes.
Get a snowball.
Okay. Come over, Jen.
You will not hold my hand. Now you hold it.
Where you want to go to? Hit the boy.
Go.
I win.
You have fun?
Yeah.
I wanted to get you putting on them stupid gloves. It's ridiculous, actually. I'm going to end this here before CapCut shuts down again. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching. Bye.